Now the next example is 37.8 37.8 divided by 6. So leave 4 rods to the left of dividend and place the divisor 6 over here. 37.8 divided by 6. Now compare 3 and 6. 3 is less than 6. Now place the quotient 6 here to the immediate left of 3. So 6 are 36 here. So remove 36. Next you have 18 over here. Next you have 18 over here. So there is 1.8 you have. So we have 1.8 over here. Now compare 1 and 6. 1 is less than 6. So 6 into 3 gives you 18. So place the quotient 3 here to the immediate left of 1 and remove 18. Now where you have placed the, check for the place where you have placed the ones place digit of the dividend. You started from this, this was the place where you had placed the ones place digit of the dividend. So count 0, 1, 2. Just count only up to 2 because we have one whole number here. So we have to count from 0, 1 and 2. So what is the corresponding value of 2? This 6. So it is 6.3. So place the decimal after the 6. So it is 6.3. So therefore 37.8 divided by 6 will give you 6.3.